में स्टेबिलिटी दिखनी चाहिए। उसके दिल में यह नहीं होना चाहिए, उसके दिल में यह नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं कल नौकरी से निकाला जा सकता। तो मैं चाहता हूं कि हमारे जो टीचर्स हैं उनके दिल में यह बेसिक फीलिंग हो कि अगर मैं अच्छी तरह काम करूंगा या करूंगी तो मेरा फ्यूचर प्रोटेक्टेड रहेगा। अब इसका लॉजिस्टिक्स, इसके लॉजिस्टिक्स क्या होंगे, इसके डिटेल्स क्या होंगे, वो आप जाके, जो हमारी टीम है, आप उनसे जाके बात कीजिए। उस पे सैम पिट्रोडा है, उस पे चिदम्बरम जी हैं। आप एक डेलीगेशन ले जाइए यहां से, आप जो इस चीज के बारे में अच्छी तरह समझते हैं, आप उनके पास जाइए। मैं उनसे कहूंगा कि वो आपके साथ बैठे और आपके जो एंजाइटी है उसका हल मैनिफेस्टो में करें।
Thank you so much for your concern about the ad hoc teachers, and ad hoc is a must go.
Years of my movement career, activist career, I've never seen a political leader coming to the teachers listening to them. So prove that you can lead us. We want you to give us leading. Now, Rahulji, you noted a few things, very valuable things. Two things I will just take it from these. Number one, we are in battlefield. You say, yes, we are in battlefield. We are battling, we are trying to achieve our goals, and we are with you. In this battle, we need a commander-in-chief. We want you as a commander-in-chief. Secondly, you have said that one of the strengths of India is discussion and dialogue. Rahulji, this discussion dialogue has been totally destroyed by the present government. Yes, whatever help you want.
I will speak to the chief ministers of these states, and you organize a meeting like this in each one of those states with them.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay? And you can directly tell them what is in your heart. I will ensure that they are on the stage.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I hope there are many speakers.
I want to make some comments about what you said. See, there are two visions of India. Our vision of India is that India is the people who live in it. India is all of us. So for our vision, the only way to understand India is to talk to India. There's no other way. The RSS vision of India, and Amit Shah said it. He said, "Ye sone ki chidiya hai." Meaning, it is a product. And that product, no, I'm saying something quite thought through. For them, India is a product. And the product has to be monetized. It has to be utilized. And they will decide who is going to utilize and monetize the product. That is the RSS. And Amit Shah, if you listen, the expression is, this is our Sone ki Chidiya. It is not the Sone ki Chidiya of every single Indian. So for me, it is impossible to lead India without having a conversation with India. It cannot be done. And yes, you're saying commander-in-chief, and I agree with that and I accept that. But the idea is that I should be a reflection of what is inside your heart. That is the idea. That you should walk away from this meeting and say, what we had in our heart has now gone into Rahul Gandhi's heart. That to me, then I would be that this is successful. What we are fighting is the attempted capture of this Sone ki Chidiya by the RSS. Very clearly that electoral battle for them, they can win it once, but they can't repeatedly win it. They've understood that. So now what they're doing is they are saying elections will come and elections will go. Let us capture all India's institutions and let us capture the Sone ki Chidiya with a bypass surgery. That is what is going on, and that is why you're feeling pressure. Because the education institutions, the Supreme Court, the Election Commission, all these are systematically being captured. Now let me tell you an example. The people who protect me, they're called the SPG. When Mr. Narendra Modi came to power, an officer was chosen from Gujarat to head the SPG. And he came to see me. कैसे हैं? I said, मैं ठीक हूं, आप गुजरात के हैं? हाँ, मैं गुजरात का हूं. So we smiled, shook hands. He was a nice person. And he did his work. And after some time, he came back to my office and he said, I'm leaving. So I was puzzled. I said, how come a Gujarat officer who Mr. Narendra Modi has handpicked is now leaving in quite a short time? I asked him. And he said to me, Mr. Gandhi, I have got a list of people that the RSS wants to put into the SPG. I refused that list, and that is why I've been sent home. So, the idea is there should be no institution that does not have the tentacles of the RSS inside. And Mr. Mohan Bhagwat, in his speech, I was not these 3 days, but earlier speech, I heard it. He said, we are going to organize the whole nation. Who are you to organize the nation, Mr. Mohan Bhagwat? The nation will organize itself. Are you some god that you are going to organize the nation of 1.3 billion people? Can you not understand how arrogant you are? Do you think that this nation is going to just sit there and be organized by you? It is a fantasy. It is a fantasy, and that fantasy will be smashed in the next couple of months.